Hi, this is Ken Lau. In this video, I will share with you how to get the latest amount for each quotation item based on the latest version. What does that mean? Well, if you have data like this and you got to sort it, and after that, find the latest, the last version, and what is the amount. So then you want to get the list right here. And for quotation B will be this, and quotation C will be this. So this is the expected outcome. Okay, but the thing is that if I have a lot of quotations and I want to quickly find out that last, the latest version, the latest amount for that, what is the way? Well, could it be using pure table? Uh, Seems like we can if we can find the last item in each of the quotation. Probably you can. So is there something like, but we'll maybe drag it here and right click sort, summarize by max. But a max version of this does not mean that is the amount. Maybe here, can I do like that? No, you can't. So you can't drag this out here. So what other ways you can do? Aha. So we load it into Excel table and then we call the Power Query. Yes, Power Query. So basically that we want to do something like this. So you can see that this is actually a group A, and after that we're gonna find the version. So just choose the group by. It's a very handy tools. We group by the items, and then we want to go for the uh, max. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's say if it's a max. I think that is still quite hard. Max, and then or add aggregate. Maybe I can just choose the all rows. Just maybe. So yeah, then let's just click first. Click OK. Can I? No. Oh, gotta get name. Yeah. Oh. Click OK and see what you get. So there's a 4, and basically I got this item here. So it's quotations. This item count, which is the max item. But really, I don't want this something here. So I think I still couldn't get the answer yet. How to do this? If I can select this, now I know it's a number 4, but how can I find that item? So there's a group by max, by version. No, that's just group by, nothing much. It's not the one. So we do have the max version, but can't really have this thing here. So we group by. So what if I don't have this list here? So I got 4, but yet I don't know what's the number. So I still need to add all those. Okay, so then I have the item there. But how do I get the number? The, I know that's the fourth, but I don't know what's the number, which is the amount. Alright, so as you can see, this is just the first attempt to solve this. It may not be that easy. So how to do this? Thanks for watching. Still in search of solution. God bless you. God bless Asia. I thank Jesus for giving me ability to share this problem.